If you're planning an Alaska cruise during October, this video is going to save you from overpacking and freezing. After my own 7-day Alaska cruise, I learned exactly what's worth bringing and what's just taking up space in my suitcase. So here is your ultimate Alaska cruise packing list. Short, simple, and straight from experience. Number 1, start with essentials. First thing first, don't forget your passport, cruise confirmation papers, and luggage tags. Keep a printed copy of them. Also, keep some US dollar change with you to tip the housekeeping staff. Number 2, weather and warm gear. October in Alaska means unpredictable weather. It can be sunny one minute and raining the next. So bring your heavy-duty winter jacket, a rain jacket, and rain pants. Thermal innerwear, woolen hat, thermal socks, and gloves to stay cozy on deck, a fleece sweater, and a light jumper for layering, because layering is your best friend on this cruise. Number 3, you will need sneakers for walking around the ship, hiking boots for shore excursions, and slippers for your inside cabin. Oh, and a pair of dressy shoes for formal nights. You'll thank me later for that. Number 4, accessories and protection. Don't skip sunglasses, sunscreen, and an umbrella. Yes, you still need them in Alaska. Also, a waterproof pouch for your phone, and binoculars are game changers for glacier viewing. If you are capturing moments, carry your camera and filming gear, plus a laptop just to transfer files, and also a power cord with multiple sockets are must. Make sure it's cruise approved though. Plus a power bank, charging cables, and headphones for convenience. Number 5, comfort and clothing. Pack jeans, gym wear, smart casual, sleepwear, and of course undergarments. I also carried a tiny crossbody purse for show days and a backpack for excursions. And yes, don't forget your swimwear. Most ships have heated pools and jacuzzis. Number 6, health and hygiene. Bring seasickness medicine even if you think you don't need it. I didn't, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Toiletries, perfume, feminine products, and wet wipes. So that's everything I packed for my Alaska cruise in October, and honestly, I used almost all of it. The key is to pack smart, not heavy. Layers, a waterproof gear, and comfort are your best friends on this trip. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in next adventure. Bye.